Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on TECNO Pop 7. And to do this, here I've entered Facebook, but before we try to log in, we'll need to click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen, move to the settings, and here enter passwords. There should be a setting called Save Passwords, make sure that it's on, and now we can go back. Enter your credentials for any website. And when we click on Login, you should be able to see this pop-up. Click on Save Passwords. Now we can click on these three dots again and open our settings. Go for the passwords. And right here in the bottom page, you will see the website and right under it nickname or username or email address for the website credentials. Now we can click on it, and that way we'll be able to edit this password, so we can change password or username as it's automatically saved for the website for auto login. There's also option to check the password, but for that you will need to set up your screen lock. In this case I don't have it, so sadly I can't show you the password. And also we can click on this bin button to delete the password from our saved list. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.